Pass me the keys to my truck.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it upon the beat, and as you can see, put on the screen, viral video of Beenie Man goes viral. Yeah, with him looking like a lip up man. You see me saying a lot of people have a lot of questions, so hopefully we can give you some answers. You see me some people, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, but oh it look, right? Definitely looks suspect if you ask me. You know what I mean? Not sure if these people are related or not. That's what I see a few people saying. But yeah, homegirl, you know, is, yeah, whatever. She trim off her head and she'll move like one of them. You see me, I say, not sure if it's like a transitioning thing or just bald-head thing. You know them way they. But yeah, a lot of people is getting up and then feeling because the video posts and all of these good stuff and whatnot. You see me, I say, because you already know the climate is with Jamaica, especially with these type of dancehall artists that, you know, burn out certain things and ting-a-ling-a-ling. Only if you see them, you know, I hug up and I lip up with man. You see me, I say, not going to lie to you, though, the person is very mixy because, as you heard in the beginning of the video, they uploaded that song with that specific part, you know, make love to man and all of them foolishness then. Yeah, but like I said, I think this is only Beenie Man's sister them that I know of. But yeah, I'm not sure if that individual is just a friend or, you know, a family member pan, you know, pan in Pitney side and all of this good stuff. But me just giving a quick update while I go on for the go on. The woman did have ears, she trim it off what they are and things. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. No, dancehall artist Skillibeng baby mothers coming under heavy fire for basically copying people's style. As you can see, the sender said, King, you notice Tavia and Skillibeng baby mother don't have, you know, one original idea. Yeah, or creativity for yourself. Everything she say, the American do, she run and go follow. Just last year, she was modeling for P. Diddy, girlfriend. You see me, I say, bikini line and all of this good stuff. No, Tavian start for your own bikini line, copying the girls them style. As you can see, these are a few pictures the sender sent. I don't want to say with the plagiarism, but yeah, you don't know the thing set. You see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These are some of the comments I pulled off from my IG channel. This is where we posted the story first. Over 100,000 views in 15 hours and ting-a-ling-a-ling. So yeah, she definitely have a lot of supporters on Instagram. Not sure about YouTube. You see me? Anyway, people, let's proceed. Okay, people, want to give an update on Mumzel. As you know, she has been deported back to Jamaica. You probably know her from Chat and Laugh and Lava Song, most notably from Bounty Killer days. I think I am the one she hammer up on these things. But yeah, girl got deported back to Jamaica because her boyfriend did a ship drugs to her shop up in New York on Merrick Blvd. This man said, all heap of drugs, you see me, them as a fentanyl, coke, you name it, to up on them things. So it looked like a smooch's shop was just a front, so the drugs them could have been delivered. You know what I mean? Me be not know about her incarceration by ICE immigration official since December, because you know, say, we get the tea them, you know, right? But we never put it out, because you know, say, me no want to act up the girl, and you know, say, you know, people and them don't fall and all this stuff. But yeah, the sender said 9 years she did America and now have the papers and all of these things. I know she shipped back to Jamaica. But if you know anything about Mumzel, you know she's good back home. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I do have the court documents. But we'll go over that in the next review in the near future. Don't it? Just to give you a quick update. Why you haven't seen Mumzel? Yeah, she was locked up. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Okay, people, come to giving a quick update on internet sensation. As you know, she was in Florida the other day, you know, getting them things lift. Because, you know, old girl, and the only thing, turn it up, you know. You see what I say? And, you know, she did go and do them things here already. But, you know, when people do them things here, you know, them end up being lopsided and all type of ways. Right, and then you know, say them want the perfection and all of this stuff. So a lot of people is chastising Ivany for even doing this, you know, saying, you know, she crossed the border and seek asylum for get all of them tune up, yeah, and them stuff, yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know, say them saying this is the gift as money and all of this stuff. But people may not gonna tell you no lie. Ivany sure a piece of our OF money, you know, as a girl have over 100,000 US in her subscriptions. So as you can see, she let it known earlier that, you know, she was good and all of this stuff. I know she's live trying to make them coins. You know what I mean? But people really did not pray for her yesterday because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, hearing what, you know, the demon say, yeah, serious thing.
You know that I'm really, really gone.
So, first we put the mask on, okay? And I give you medication in your IV. And once I give you medication in your IV, you're going to fall asleep. And then there are going to be some signs, right? So your eyes are going to close. Your respiratory rate is going to slow down. There are some reflexes. Like, so for example, if I were to touch your eyelashes right now, you'd blink.
Yes.
Under anesthesia, you wouldn't blink, right?
Okay.
And once you're done, I'm going to put the device in your airway, and I'm going to put on anesthesia gas, and I'm going to breathe for you the whole time, okay? If you were awake, your heart rate would be really high. Your blood pressure would be really high. Once I see those numbers are normal, I know that you're deeply asleep, and there's no way you could possibly be awake. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Right, like if you were in pain, your heart rate would go up.
Okay.
You know, if you're resting comfortably, I know.
Okay.
Plus, I don't give you any, like, paralysis, right? You know what I mean? So, like, you can move. So if you're moving, I know you need more sedation.
Okay.
You know, like if I see you moving your arms, or if I see you trying to lift your head, then I'll just turn up the gas until you are resting more comfortably.
Okay.
All right?
I have another question.
Yeah.
So when you finish the surgery,
Yes.
and it's finished, you wait until I'm awake. That's so you know that she could go now.
Right, yeah. So what happens, once they're done and they've closed you all up, I get you back breathing on your own, because I have a ventilator that breathes for you, and then I switch it over to a mode where you're breathing. And then what I do is, once you're breathing enough, you're breathing strongly, you'll still be kind of asleep, but you'll be breathing. I'll take the device out, and I'll let you breathe on your own, and I'll bring you to recovery, and that's where you'll wake up.
But I have bad allergy right now. I can't even breathe through my nose really good.
Okay.
That's is that a problem?
That's okay.
That's okay.
You have allergies, just seasonal
bad
allergies?
allergy, yes.
Okay.
It's stuffy.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you seen in the beginning of the clip, she's still leaking and all of this stuff. But the greatest thing is that she is safe and sound. Mr. Ma say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Problems in the summer, you know, my people. Problems in the summer, you see me. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next story, you see me. Okay, people, that's a quick update on this Jaii Frais thing. Like I said, by Friday, we should know who is being charged and arrested for what. And we haven't seen that yet. And that is why Jaii Frais' lawyer went back to court today to ask the judge to release his client by 6 p.m. if those charges aren't, you know, produced. This man said, "Can a man been in there for a whole long now? You're only allowed 48 hours plus the extra 24 and things. So then they get extended time to Friday. But we're not seeing nothing yet. And there's a court order that he is supposed to be, you know, going to UAE for treatment and all of these good stuff. So yeah, man, people, the pressure is really on law enforcement now. And, you know, you don't really want them to rush investigations because you don't want them to make a mistake and all of this stuff. So, you know, we're not going to pressure, you know, the police to rush and do their job. But them just want these people, you know, in place so them can't left the island, right? So if them release them today, I'm thinking they're probably going to, you know, take away his, you know, passport and all of these things, flight risk and all of them stuff there, right? But we will know what going for that to go on by 6 o'clock. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for that. Because we're not going to longer this review any longer because we're going to forward back in the night site. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People on a bless.